Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. My name is Dr. Richard Paulo Vidaluria and I am the Chairman and CEO of SRK Education Group International. But before the titles, before the businesses, before the schools and organizations, I was simply one Filipino dreamer trying to survive life abroad. Like many of you, I know what sacrifice feels like. I know what it means to leave your comfort zone, your family, your country, and sometimes even your own dreams, just so the people you love can have a better future. There was a time in my life when everything felt uncertain. I came from humble beginnings, I experienced struggles, disappointments, and moments when all I had was faith and the willingness to continue. But one thing I learned as an OFW is this: sometimes, God places Filipinos around the world not just to earn money, but to build purpose. And that purpose became clearer when I realized that education changes generations. That dream eventually became SRK Education Group International, a mission that started small but grew through faith, perseverance, and service. Today, we are blessed to serve thousands of Filipinos and international learners across different parts of the world through schools, distance education, leadership programs, and innovations in learning. But the truth is, this story is not about me. This story is about every Filipino abroad who chose to continue despite exhaustion. Every parent working 2 jobs so their children can study. Every nurse, teacher, engineer, domestic worker, entrepreneur, and other workers who silently carries homesickness while carrying the hopes of their family. You are the real heroes. And this is why communities like Habibayan and ALSE, or the Ateneo Leadership and Social Entrepreneurship, are so powerful because they remind us that leadership is not about position. Leadership is about impact. Social entrepreneurship is not just about business. It is about solving problems with compassion. And success is not measured only by income, but by how many lives we uplift along the way. As OFW, we are woven together by one story, and that is resilience. Kaya nga Habibayan, because every Filipino story abroad is a thread. And when these threads are woven together, we create something beautiful, meaningful, and powerful for the next generation. To all my fellow OFWs listening today, never underestimate your journey. Your struggles today may become someone else's inspiration tomorrow. Your sacrifices are building futures you may not even fully see yet. And your story matters. Continue learning, continue leading, continue helping others rise with you. Because the world does not only need successful Filipinos, the world needs compassionate Filipino leaders. And I truly believe that the next generation of global change makers will come from communities like ours. Maraming salamat sa Habibayan at sa ALSE, sa pangunguna ng ating Tito Ed at Tita Tina, sa buong pamilya ng Ateneo, for creating a movement that empowers Filipinos around the world to dream bigger, lead better, and serve greater. And to all our fellow OFWs, listen to this. Hindi kayo nag-iisa. Your story has value, your sacrifices have meaning, and your future is still being written. Together, let us continue to build not only successful careers, but a better world for every Filipino family. Maraming salamat po, and may God bless us all. Mabuhay ang Ateneo, mabuhay ang ALSE, mabuhay ang Habibayan.